Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming battery health and preparing the LED assembly. This matters because voltage and current must match. First, strip and tin wires, then solder LED to a current-limiting resistor or driver. Make sure polarity is correct. Once done, attach battery leads with a protective diode to prevent reverse flow, and mount a switch inline on the positive lead. You're starting actual wiring now to avoid later rework. Solid connections reduce heat and improve runtime. Next, integrate a charging module so you can recharge safely. The TP4056 is common for single-cell setups because it regulates charge to 4. 2V. Solder module in plus and in for charger input, and connect OUT to battery terminals through a protection board if battery lacks built-in BMS. Make sure grounds are common. Once wired, power the charger and observe LED indicators. If current or voltage readouts are off, stop and recheck wiring. Finally, assemble everything into a durable enclosure so components stay put and heat dissipates. Attach the LED to a small heatsink and secure wiring with hot glue or clamps. Charge the battery fully, then run the light to confirm brightness and monitor temperature for the first 10-15 minutes. If the light flickers or fails, check solder joints and the switch first. Measure battery voltage and charger output next. If charging never reaches 4.2V, swap the charger module. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.